Hi everyone, welcome to UPSC Tree. So this is a master strategy to score highest mark in mains. It's not that I am going to tell you कि how we are going to ensure that you get a rank. Okay. Now you might have seen a lot of video, but this is a very unique strategy. Okay. So if you look at the exam, we have prelims, mains है, interview है, and mains में 1750 marks, main interview में 250 marks. In fact, if you look at prelims is just a barrier. You need to cross over it. It is only in mains you ensure a rank. Interview भी इतना important नहीं है. People pay a lot of attention to interview. It is only 250 marks. अगर average भी mark आ गया चलेगा, ठीक है. So mains is where you ensure that you are getting a rank. Now ये हमेशा question रहता है कि how to get the maximum mark in mains. Okay. And another thing I will tell you कि because UPSC or OPSC the syllabus is little bit big, we usually students think that कि we have to score 85%, 95%. देखो each paper 250 मार्क का होता है and in the beginning students or aspirants think that कि will score 240 no matter what. Okay, but if you look at the top rank 1 of UPSC, his score is somewhere around 50 to 55%. इसका मतलब है अगर if you add the two things mains and interview का 1750 and 250, so out of that he is scoring only 50% or more than say 51-52% and you are getting a rank 1 in India. So think about that. So it is not about getting 85% or 95%, it's only about this much of marks you have to secure. Okay, now why, you might ask why if I score say 52-53% I am the rank 1 in India, throughout India. That is because see civil service aspirants, they start with a lot of enthusiasm, okay, a lot of energy, because they are learning new things, so there is a high degree of novelty is there. So पढ़ने के लिए अच्छा लग रहा है, ये लग रहा है, so that curiosity is there and they start like just like that panda. But then what will happen, you come to know about the syllabus and syllabus में आपका history है, geography है, बहुत सारी चीज़ है, so it feels like a burden, but it's not a burden actually. This will make you more wise. The struggle is real, but the end of the struggle you will get a learning for life. So civil service preparation is not about only clearing an exam, it is about a life lesson as well, that you have to keep in mind. At the end of the struggle you will become wise, no doubt about it, but becoming wise will not make you get a rank. Rank अलग ही game है. क्या है अलग game? Let me tell you what is that. Now I will use this analogy. देखो, if you ask me कि आमिर खान और अक्षय कुमार में कौन who will be clearing the mains or becoming civil servant, I will say कि अक्षय कुमार, and Amir Khan will never clear civil service exam. Why is that? Because he chases perfection. 4 साल में एक मूवी बनाता है, ठीक है, and that movie not necessarily going to be a hit, it might end up being a flop. So no. अक्षय कुमार एक साल में 4 मूवी बनाता है, all of them are average or above average movies, ठीक है, and he makes the maximum, he pays the highest tax and all that you already know. So Akshay Kumar, here if you see, so UPSC is just like that. Why? Or civil service preparation is just like that, because here we are trying to get, or we are trying to answer a lot of papers are there. We have essay, 4 GS papers are there, then optional 2 papers are there. So 7 papers we have to write in the mains exam. So we have to have quality as well as quantity. If you are only chasing perfection, it's like say एक 10 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है, in a 10 mark question we should not aim for 8 or 9, that is chasing perfection. Or if you try to do that in a question paper, there will be 20 questions, there is a chance that 5 question आप छोड़ के आ जाओगे, and if you leave any question unattended, you are out of the race, that is guaranteed. Okay, so we cannot show perfection in all the answers. So what, we cannot be average also, because it is so the debate between quality and quantity, that is not the case. It is a game of average, and जो quality है, perfection है, you have to sprinkle your perfection little bit in each paper, each question, थोड़ा थोड़ा देना है, पूरा नहीं. So we are out of 10 mark question, We are not changing 8 or 9. We are only changing 6 or 7. Even 6 is fine. Okay. Let me tell you why. देखो, when you start your preparation, कोई भी decent student, if they write decent content, out of 10 they can get 3 marks. Easily they will score that. Okay. थोड़ा effort डालेंगे 4 marks they can secure, but it is very difficult to get 6 marks. क्यों? Because the examiner should be satisfied enough to give you 6 marks. So that is where the real game is. Okay. So if you look at the no rank and the top rank, and both of them have same degree of preparation, say you might be saying कि आपका एक friend का हो गया, आपका नहीं हुआ, and all those things. Okay. So it is a game of jumping from 4 mark to 6 marks. So this whole game is all about 2 marks. 2 marks per question. That's all. Okay. Why is that? And why I am saying it is only game of 2 marks? Because in each question, each paper, say for example GS का मैं पेपर ले रहा हूँ, ठीक है, for to show you an example, in each GS paper we have 20 marks, 20 questions, and each question if you say secure 2 more marks extra, in each paper you are getting around 40 marks. अगर उसको average निकाल दोगे या ये कर भी दोगे, से 30 marks ज़्यादा मिल रहा है. Okay, and this 30 marks can easily be secured for each paper. I will tell you how. Now think about the 7 papers. So 30 marks extra in 7 papers means 210 marks. 10 marks निकाल दो, 200 मार्क पकड़ लो. 200 marks is a huge mark. रैंकर एंड नो रैंकर में 200 मार्क का फ़र्क है, ठीक है. एंड इनफैक्ट इफ़ यू जंप फ्रॉम 4 to 6 टॉप 10 में आ जाओगे. लेट मी टेल यू कि हाउ यू कैन एंश्योर दिस 2 extra marks. One is handwriting. If you pick up your syllabus and if you look at the declaration, they say that handwriting अगर legible नहीं है, they will cut the marks. Some of the time students wonder कि if we have written so much of good content, still we are not getting the marks, because aesthetic matters a lot, representation matters a lot, and that will give you 1 mark extra in each question or each question's answer. That is a key thing. Okay. Second, content enrichment. That means, see, you have to have content which is above the average. जो मार्केट में सर्कुलेट हो रहा है, which the materials everyone is reading, all that. It's like the pool of average. ठीक है, उससे थोड़ा ऊपर उठना है. We are not trying to be perfect, but at the same time we have to be above the average. मतलब अक्षय कुमार जैसा आउट ऑफ ए 5 स्टार वाला, मतलब रेटिंग में अगर देखोगे 3.5 out of 5, that's what we need. Okay. So handwriting will get you 1 mark. Little bit extra effort, extra work will get you 1 more mark. This is little difficult actually, not easy, but then these 2 marks are important. Okay. So if you secure that, then you ensure that you are getting a rank, and mains is in your control. Interview आपका कंट्रोल में नहीं है. If they give the average mark, well and good. आप जाओ, बैठ के आ जाओ, जो भी मार्क देंगे चलेगा, ठीक है. That's not an issue. So interview they check your personality, but it is the mains exam that is in your control, that where you can ensure कि you are getting a rank. So work towards mains and work on those 2 marks extra. That's all what it needs to get a rank. And I am speaking from a vast experience of checking a lot of answers. ठीक है. So thank you, and if you have any questions or anything, definitely you can reach out to us. So yeah. Couple of announcements. The Roots batch is a integrated foundation batch for IAS and OAS preparation. So because there is a high degree of convergence between the syllabus, so starting from March 25, that is a foundation course batch that includes everything: classroom, interview, mains, test series, everything. Now ethics course will begin from March 20. So we are going to enjoy the ethics course like anything. I will give you a lot of interesting things, lot of interesting phenomena, etc. So okay, so if you want to enroll, you can have your inquiries made and all that. Ethics course will start from March 20, and we are going to enjoy the ethics course. I'll give you a lot of examples, and we'll see, because ethics is a boundaryless subject. बहुत मज़ा आएगा, and we'll enjoy it together. Okay, starting from March 20. If you want to attend demo class and all that, that will be made available. UPSC prelims test series is going to start from March 15, and this year, as I already told you in my previous video, it is going to be very affordable. At the same time, we are trying to predict 80 questions out of 100 questions this year, and we will ensure that we are doing that. Okay. So UPSC test series March 15, and then UPSC prelims test series is ongoing. See, I want you to leave with a particular thought that some people, shy away from preparing civil service. I understand that, but if you have the knowledge and etc., so you can try for it because it is a very rewarding career. At the same time, see, life is full of suffering. I will leave a thought of Buddha that life is full of suffering, so we cannot escape suffering. ठीक है, अगर आप कोई दूसरा जॉब कर रहे हो, there is suffering, और कोई जॉब कर, हर in every job some degree of suffering is there. Now, Buddha said that life is full of suffering, that we already know. But there are two kinds of suffering. One suffering that will create more suffering, and another suffering that will end all your suffering. So because you guys are, struggling now, or in your struggle phase, or you are preparing, being aspirants, so I want you to push your boundary so that you take the struggle with a, happy face or a smiling face, so that at the end of your struggle you have a rank, at the same time you are proud of yourself, and all your hard work etc. is rewarded. Okay, because once you push yourself, it will end all your suffering, as Buddha said. So choose your suffering wisely.